Hello, hello. Thank you for joining me, Renee, at 5 Men Makeover on this fine Monday. We are going to play with your favorites, the nudes and the neutrals, but with a little bit of shiny, a little bit of sparkly. I am going to start by tight lining with a proper, because I'm so proper, right? This is our dark brown pencil liner. There we go. Tight lining does not hurt. Just be super light when you lift to get up under there, because it really makes your lashes pop. Here, let's get a little extra right here. Little extra, because you guys know I just love being extra. Okay, aren't these beautiful? We got a little bit of matte, and there's a glare, and there's a lot of dust on my palette because, yeah, that's just how I roll. We are going to start with Ginger Lay with Makeup Bag Must Have, Renee's Makeup Bag Must Have Fluffy Crease Brush. Remember, when you dip in, you pat off. We're just going to put this all over the lid, and this color alone is one that is another makeup bag must have, I guess, if you want to call it an eyeshadow must have, because it is not only a great base transition color, it is really, it's just like that perfect, it's the perfect freaking neutral nude color, okay? I don't even know how else to describe it. If you think of a word, let me know. Okay, I'm gonna do something fun. You guys, oh, I just dropped my brush. You guys have seen me. Hold on. Goodness gracious. You guys have seen me do this before. I love getting my eyeshadow wet. So I just use my Behold setting spray. I do a little squirt in the lid, and I do just a little tap to get my brush a little moist. And I know a lot of people hate that word. And this is the crease brush. We are going to use this beautiful, now it's either fanatical or manipulative. I always get those two confused. When I post this video, I will be sure to have the correct color. And we are going to do the greater than, less than symbols on our eyes. There's another cool way to remember. Well, I mean, greater than, less than is just fun. Or like Pac-Man versus Mrs. Pac-Man. Or you could do like the hashtag trick, where you draw an actual hashtag. And we are just doing super light windshield wiper, okay? Bloop, 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 bloop. If you have hooded eyes, you're going to want to go above, like you're going to want to look straight in your mirror and go right above where your eye opens. If you do not have hooded eyes, you're just going to dig on in there right in that crease. And hold your brush towards the end, okay? Because when you are working with highly pigmented, beautiful products, you don't want to have fallout. Okay, moving on with the angle shader brush. We're going to get this beauty. And again, slight. And we're going to go in. So, in our brow tutorials, like that's where the arch goes. We're going to go on the inner part, or the outer part of the eye. Okay. Are you still with me? Isn't that so pretty? Now, do you want to see what it looks like wet? So I dipped my hair. So a little squirt, which there was more than enough squirt left from the last squirt. But hey, and pat it in. See what, like, brilliance happens when you apply it wet? So if you're like doing a night out, or you really want to let that inner light shine and illuminate everyone around you, apply your shadows wet, okay? And pat it, pat. Yeah, that looks way better than that. That side's now all like boring. Hold on, let's fix this up right quick. So pretty, so pretty. I'm going to flip this over. I'm going to dip back into, is that fanatical or manipulative? And we're just going to kind of press. Okay, press. Oh, isn't that so pretty? I just love shimmer. It just makes everything like brighter. And this is great to double under your eye. Okay. And again, I will post all the colors used up above. If you are watching this on Facebook or YouTube, it'll be in the comments as well. Or actually, yeah, it'll be in the comments. But here, if you're watching IGTV, don't get jealous now. It'll be up there. So... or actually, no, let's go back to old tried and true. Yeah, you can tell this is like a super used favorite brush of mine because it's like getting a little floofy floof. So with Jealous, we're going to go right up in there, right under that brow. Woo! See, the beauty of the fluffy crease brush is it like doubles as a blending brush also and a crease brush. But, okay. That's what happens when you don't tap off. And then you got to perform surgery. But no big deal. See, I kind of don't mind making mistakes because then you could kind of see like, I almost did it again. You know, then it just gives you an idea of what happens. And how many of you guys do inner eye strobing? Raise your hand. Inner eye strobing is a great way to make your eyes look bigger, brighter, whiter, gives you a more youthful appearance, kind of like doing your brows. Yeah, doing your brows, baby, doing your brows. Oh, and I tried a cool little, like, you guys have probably seen it everywhere. Like, you give yourself a unibrow to do your brows, but it was really cool. So make sure you are tuned in tonight on my Facebook wall because I'm going to be doing it. Okay, so I just dipped the angle side in my Behold setting spray, and we're just going to do a quick little liner action on both eyes. And let's do a little bit of, let's kind of mix things up. I love contrast. I love it. Yeah, I can't believe that this month is already like pretty much almost over. Oh my gosh, I just thought somebody was in my backyard. Whew, that scared the patootie out of me. Okay, let's blend. And then we will do our lashes. And hold it towards the end until you get used to doing a soft hand. But I mean, already, isn't that so pretty? So pretty. Okay, let's lash, shall we? So get your blow dryer and your lash curler. If you are like me and have lashes that are blonde and stick straight out, you are going to need a lash curler to get a brow tangle. I love the Tweezerman lash curler and do like the count to 10. Okay, I'm not going to do that. Actually, okay, I'm going to slap on some lash primer super quick. By the way, those lash trios for National Lash Day, the lash primer part sold out. But I have a couple left here, so let me know, stat, if you want lash primer, and I will mail it. Okay, I'm going to blow dry this to speed the process up. I'll be right back. Because it goes on white, you know, Elsa style from Frozen, and you want it to go clear, okay? Okay. Get in your 4D, get your wand naked. Remember, from all my lash tips last week, from National Lash Week until I got sick, you want to wiggle it at the base of your lashes to disperse those fibers and then get your twirl on. Because when you look down into your mirror, you're going to get longer, oompier lashes. You want to get the backside as well to really get that fullness and length. And okay, so like on IGTV, I have to stick under 10 minutes and my time's almost up. So I went ahead and did the other side. Lower lashes are optional. But I hope you guys love this super beautiful, easy, neutral look. Thank you for joining me at 5 Min Makeover. Thanks for the follow and subscribe. I love you.